Hi, my name is Vincent. Today I'm going to test out this 3-minute setup one-man tent. So we will see how is it.
Hi, Vincent!
Please take note, this product is not by sponsor. This product I purchased from Lazada online sales. This tent weight is about 1 kilo. The tent size is 2 meter length by 1 meter width and 1.1 meter height. It is a single layer tent and it is 3-minute quick setup tent. This tent is like an umbrella. You just open up. You hold the top part and then you slowly release. It will open up. This brand name is very funny. It's called Utan King. The head is a orangutan, but the body is a human body hiking. This is the top part open mechanism. The tent has 4 legs and each leg have 2 bending joints. At both sides opening, there's a fly shade open up. It looks like a double layer, but actually it's a 1 layer tent. This tent opening have a mosquito net on both sides. After you roll, underneath there's a 2 string for you to tie. This is how it looks like inside the tent. I'm quite a big size. I try to go inside the tent. This is the space I feel after sitting inside. I'm now trying to lay down. Well, after I sleep, this is where my head is touching. My leg. So this one just fit for 1 person. No more extra space. Maybe just can put a small bag here, or this side, or the backpack as a pillow. I don't think this material is waterproof because I can see a tiny hole here. Some spot is very thin. It's like can see through. So I don't think this one is 100% waterproof. The ventilation will be only if these 2 sides are open. so the air only will come in. As you see on top, there's no ventilation. This tent don't have any compartment. There's only a hook for you to put a lamp. Okay, why I buy this tent? This tent is cost less than 60 ringgit. Because during the COVID pandemic, some country people get infected, the spike up so high, and it's not enough bed in the hospital. Sometimes not enough ICU bed or room. So sometimes I notice when they don't have enough bed, so they just provide a simple shelter and with a double bed. What if there's no bed? Also heard a lot of people comment about they're so rushed where they're going to quarantine, and because they didn't bring extra clothes or blanket at night, they get very cold. So some advice before go to the quarantine area, must bring extra clothes, some soap for taking shower, and some blanket to cover themselves to keep on at night. Then suddenly I come with the idea, why not I prepare a one-man tent. It's not an expensive type, just a simple shelter, can have some privacy by themselves, and the size is just take up one single bed size. Also, one more thing is after using the tent for 14 days, let's say you're quarantined for 14 days, and I don't think you want to bring back this tent already. Most likely the tent will be thrown away, because we also don't want to let other patients to use, since this might be contaminated already with the virus. So it's better after that throw away. This is why I come with the idea to buy a tent just cost less than 50 or 60 ringgit, so that I can use and then throw away. I just stand by this tent for in case any one of the family member are in contact with the COVID, so that they can just take this tent and go to the quarantine area. It is lightweight and easy to set up. This tent is easy to use by any children or old people, because it's just like open the umbrella. It's very simple. So because of the pricing, I'm not really consider how good is the waterproofing, but if it really does, it's very good. So I will test it out today afternoon or tonight, because during this day is a raining season. Okay, now it's raining. You can hear. The rain just started 15 minutes ago. As you can see, the floor mat all is wet already. All is wet. Very wet. So it proves that this floor mat is not waterproof. Surprisingly, there's no leaking from the. See, got leaking. This part got leaking already. There's water drop out, but the side, everything is still remain dry. All is dry. Except here. Okay, I don't know if you can see the water drop or not. You see? But too bad, the floor is not waterproof. So if you're using this tank for camping, you need to provide another fly sheet on top and make sure the floor will not have a water trap. If not, at night you will be terrible, you'll be unable to sleep. So my conclusion will be this tent is not suitable for camping overnight. It could be just a day trip, or okay, this tent can give you some shelter from the sunlight. Other than that, don't use this tent for camping. How are you going to sleep with the floor like this, so wet? All your bed will be wet, all your equipment will be wet. Okay, I'm going to unfold the tent. What you need to do is just press and wow. Okay, then hold the leg. Okay, that's it. So I hope you like this content. If you like this video, please give a like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.